Hello everybody, I'm behind the screen today. This is just a very quick video. Now I had a message on one of my old videos from Maria, and I received a toolkit that came with a slotted ring, but I don't know what it's for. Can you please tell me how to use it? Now this is the kit that she's talking about. Now she didn't buy it for myself. If you are new to my channel, I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies, and I do currently have a 10% offer for £10 spend, so please do go and check it out. Even though Maria didn't buy these from me, see that's how lovely I am, I'm making a video for her. Right, so with these kits with some of these kits you can get this on the end, and lots of people are baffled. What is this? What do you do with it? And it's a jump ring opener, and it's a tool for opening and closing jump rings. Now I've got one and it's got a split so you can make it larger. I've got large fingers, so it'll only go to about here on my finger, but it will still work. And with a normal jump ring, we take our pliers each side and then we twist one side, and that opens your jump ring, and then do the same again to close the jump ring. Now with this tool, just pop it on your finger, and you'll see on this one there are, I'm hoping you can see with the light. Now with this one, there are different size gaps because you get different thicknesses of jump rings. So what you would do, take the jump ring, pop it into the gap and then twist. And can you see that it's opened up your jump ring? So you do whatever you're doing, let's just say we've put a pendant on, and then you just put it back in and go back again, and it closes it. I'll admit, I always forget I have this. I always forget that I have these tools. It might make it a bit easier, but that is what you do. Open, let me take that off. Let's take that off. Right. Does it work with tiny jump rings? I personally don't work with pine, but there we go. There we go, see? Open, close. So it's a great little tool. I'm not sure if I've got any of these on my website left, but they are called a jump ring tool opener. I hope you find that video useful. Did you know about these tools? Have you bought something like this and have this tool and think, what is that? And in the end, it ends up being thrown away. If you find this short video helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment down below. You can leave emojis, tell me where you're watching this from, what's your favorite jewelry piece. It just helps the YouTube algorithm share my videos out to more people. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.